I woke in my clothes again this morning. Don't know exactly where I am. I should heed my doctor's warnings. He does the best with me he can. Claims I suffer from delusions, but I'm so confident I'm sane. Can't be no optical illusions. So how can you explain shadows in the rain? Shadows in the rain. If you see me on the corner and we're dancing in the rain, I tell my friends there when I see them outside my window pane. Shadows in the rain. Shadows in the rain. Shadows in the rain. I woke in my clothes this morning. Don't know exactly where I am. I should heed my doctor's warnings. He does the best with me he can. He says I suffer from delusions, but I'm so confident I'm sane. It can't be no optical illusions. So how can you explain shadows in the rain? I woke in my clothes again this morning, and I don't know exactly where I am. I should heed my doctor's warnings. He does the best with me he can. See, he says I suffer from delusions, and I'm so confident I'm sane. It can't be no optical illusions. So tell me, how can you explain shadows in the rain? How can you explain? How can you explain